Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz C Class 3.0 C43 V6 AMG Night Edition Premium Plus G-Tronic Plus 4MATIC, which is a petrol automatic, and this vehicle is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the grey exterior colour. You also have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery with a contrasting red stitch. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this car are electronically adjustable, so once you've found that comfortable position you are also able to save it, as they are a memory seat as well as this they are also heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your hands-free options, volume controls as well as your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 34,101 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And as well as this you also have your dynamic drive select, which has a variety of different driving modes which you can individually adjust, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style. As well as this you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have your dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz C Class 3.0 C43 V6 AMG Night Edition Premium Plus G-Tronic Plus 4MATIC that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.